Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to upload or how to change your profile picture on Facebook from PC, laptop or MacBook. So you can see this is the Facebook home page. So what you need to do, you need to click here. You can see this is my name. Simply click on your name, and after that this is your profile picture and this is your cover picture. So in profile picture you'll see a little icon. It's a camera icon. Simply click here. Then here you'll get four options. So like you can add frame, you can edit thumbnail. Like a thumbnail, it means that you can customize your profile picture. So I'm just going to click upload photo. Then you will see your memory from PC and hard disk, and you have to choose which picture you want to upload, and after that simply click here and click open. Then you will get that your profile picture will successfully update it here. So okay friend, today's no more, and thank you for watching.